Hello HSU! Follow along here as we go over Keep Teaching, Canvas Basics, Course Setup, Communication, and File Sharing. This session will include an overview of the basics, the course and system architecture, your options in Canvas for building a course, communication methods in Canvas and in Zoom, as well as sharing files in Canvas and Google. Also, your support resources, ways to get help easily. This workshop will provide a brief overview of the interface and basic features of Canvas. We suggest that you use the Keep Teaching Basic template to help introduce you in ways to organize your course. This is found in the Canvas Commons and is branded for HSU. In this session, you'll be able to locate Canvas self-service resources, navigate the setup of basic features in your Canvas course, and identify the resources you have. Keep in mind, HSU has specific resources, support for you on HSU campus websites. For example, the Keep Teaching site, the Keep Learning site, the CTL Canvas site, and the Canvas Guides. The Keep Teaching site is geared towards instructors and offers resources, tutorials, and more. The Keep Learning site is geared towards students, offering ways they can take care of their health, tech help, and their education. In this basics session, we'll look at the global Canvas menu, course level Canvas menus, and then specific elements: navigation, the syllabus, communication, files, modules, people, and settings. When you go to create your Canvas course, you have two options. You can use the course setup checklist to create your course from scratch in Canvas, or you can import an HSU template, specifically the Keep Teaching template from the Canvas Commons. There are many communication tools on Canvas, and it is suggested that you set clear, reasonable standards and consistency for your students in regards to communication. You can communicate via Zoom, via announcements, via the inbox, via discussions, via assignments and quizzes, and quite possibly the comments in those, and then also via gradebook messages. Sharing files is also capable in Canvas. It is suggested that you set clear, reasonable standards and consistency for this type of activity too. Letting students know where to find things will be helpful. You can share files via Canvas modules, via Canvas pages, via the Canvas files area, or also via Google in and out of Canvas. Google Collaborations, Google Assignments, and Google Links are all capable. Do you have questions? Feel free to reach out to us. You have support resources, such as the Keep Teaching website, or contacting the Center for Teaching and Learning directly at extension 4461, or by email at ctl@humboldt.edu, as well as contacting the help desk directly at 4357 or via help@humboldt.edu.